everybody, it's Sherry with Tinkerbell, and together you and I are making your home a sanctuary. I have a really super fun, easy project today, and I kind of teased you about it yesterday on Facebook. We are going to make a snack basket to put outside on your porch or outside of your garage, wherever, to put outside to bless our hard-working delivery drivers. You know, Amazon, FedEx, UPS, and Postal Service, and honestly, maybe even DHL or whoever else might deliver to your house. We're gonna bless them this season because more than any other year, they are working night and day to deliver everything to our doorstep, right? It's easy for us to click, you know, add to cart, buy now, but then somebody's got to put it on our porch. So here's what you all need. You need a basket of some sort. This one I actually had sitting around. If you don't have a basket on hand, Dollar Tree or Walmart both have really great baskets right now. And the thing that I like about this one is that it's super deep, so that when I put it on my porch, not everybody knows that it's filled with snacks. Because I have a feeling if everybody knew that it was filled with snacks, there would be more than delivery drivers helping themselves. You know what I mean? So you need a basket of some sort. You need snacks. How about that? So I went to my local store, my local grocery store, and I bought a bag, like a multi-pack of these little snack bags of chips. Whatever you want will work. So I have those. I'm just gonna put them off to the left side for a second. Because Big Daddy helped me, we bought crackers, the cheese and peanut butter, and the cheese on cheese ones. We have beef jerky, because who doesn't love beef jerky, right? We have beef jerky. We have something sweet. We've got 3 or 4 different kinds of little snack cakes that we got. And then we have 3 different kinds of soda. So we're gonna put this together, and even in the warmer climates, unless y'all live like in Miami or San Diego or something, it will, sorry guys, I lost my train of thought. Unless you like live in Miami or San Diego or someplace like that where it's really super warm, this stuff is gonna stay cool. Big Daddy, that dirty dog, he came in and tried to steal some of these snacks. Actually, he does help himself to the snacks in the snack basket on the porch, but you know, that's okay, right? So anyway, we're gonna put all these things in this basket, and the beverages do actually stay cold unless you are in a climate where cold is like 75 degrees at night. Even here in Georgia, it gets cool enough at night that it acts like a natural refrigerator, and it keeps the drinks cool all day long, so that whenever we get a delivery, the drivers get a nice refreshing drink. So the last thing you need is a gift from me. You need a sign to tell the drivers that it's their snack basket and they can help themselves. I know this is backwards and it's laminated. I have a laminator, so I know you can't really see it, but it says UPS, FedEx, Amazon, and USPS. Please take a drink and a snack. Thank you for delivering our packages. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So in the comments of this video, when I am finished, I will post the link for you guys to download and print off your very own copy of this. So all you have to do is print it off. Now, if you are fortunate enough to have a laminator, sorry guys, go ahead and laminate it. It'll help obviously protect it from the elements more. But if you don't have a laminator, it's okay. But you will have this sign linked below in the comments as soon as the video is over for you guys to print out and use on your snack basket. Oh, and I also want to make sure that I'm clear. This is not, there's no catch to this, okay? I'm going to link it in a place on the World Wide Web that you don't even have to put in your email address in order to be able to download it. It is a free gift from me, no strings attached. So, Merry Christmas. Okay, so we're gonna start assembling our basket. Let me grab my scissors. I only have like 5,000 pairs of scissors in this drawer, and every time I want a pair of scissors, I can't find the pair of scissors I'm looking for. Anybody else have that problem? I'm gonna open these little cheese crackers. Now, you can get this stuff obviously at any grocery store. You can get it at Walmart. You guys, you can also get snacks and drinks at Dollar Tree, depending on your budget and how many deliveries you have. Obviously, being a small business, we have lots of deliveries. We have lots of pickups, and we have lots of stuff being shipped to us, so we have tons of deliveries. But if you just have a few, you scale your basket according to what you have happening at your house. Make sense? All right, so we're gonna take some of these sodas and we're gonna drop them in. And I know y'all can't really see, but bear with me and I'll show you. We're gonna do a little bit of everything. Hi, Daddy, will you bring me a couple bottles of water out of the pantry, please? I forgot to grab those. I always add some water. And sometimes we have security cameras, and it's so fun to watch all of our drivers read the sign. Sometimes they read the sign a couple of times, and then they're super shocked, and they're like, oh, thank you. And last year we even had a gal in the video. She waved and said thank you, and she was so much fun. She thought, woo, thank you. He says hi, by the way, y'all. He just doesn't like the camera like I do, so he kind of likes to hang back most of the time. So I'm putting the drinks in one side. Let's see. And I might have room for 2 more bottles of water, but I'll try that when I'm done. Okay? And then I'm gonna fill this side with all of the snacks. So I'm gonna set down, let's see, I want it to face this way. So I'm gonna set down, oh, maybe I'm gonna set these down. Or maybe they're just gonna be stubborn and they're gonna fall. Okay, they're staying. Shh, don't anybody disturb the packages of beef jerky. For the moment, we'll have to push them up against something. As you guys come on, say hi, let me know how you're doing. I know it's been a while since you've seen me. You guys know what's been going on with our family. So I am so glad to be back. And as you make these, let me know what yours look like. Drop me a comment, show me pictures, whatever. Just let me know that you guys made these too. Last year when I did this is actually our 3rd year of doing this. Last year when I did this, one of y'all who is one of my amazing followers, sent me a private message and said that your significant other was actually a FedEx driver. He was a FedEx contractor. And you liked the idea so much, or she liked the idea so much, that there was one on the porch after seeing this video, or seeing a video, I should say. And pretty soon it kind of snowballed throughout your community, and pretty soon everybody had the snack baskets, or a lot of people had the snack baskets for the drivers. So I hope that I can inspire you to do the same, and let's be a blessing for these guys and gals as they're out working long hours to deliver everything for us. And as you can see, there's no rhyme or reason to it, y'all. Just put some snacks. Think about what you would like. You know, think about if you wanted a treat, what would your treat be? And just kind of go from there. There is no perfect answer, but I love these. I love can't have them. Hashtag food allergies, but I love them. So we're just gonna put these in here. We're just gonna kind of arrange everything. I think I'll put some chips down here. We're just gonna kind of arrange everything so that the drivers can see that there's a variety of stuff. Now here's another thing. You don't have to put everything in this basket all at the same time, because as things are coming and going from your home, or as you're sending things out, or as you're receiving things, you can always refill it, right? You can always refill it. So I just put a sample of everything in the basket, and then as something dwindles, obviously I will refill it. So let me show you. Okay, so the soda's just obviously tipped, but I'll fix them. So the sodas are here. I've got the chips right here. Can you guys see that? And then the snack cakes and the, what else do we have? Nutty bars and Swiss rolls right here. And then some crackers, and then the beef jerky, because who doesn't love beef jerky, right? So you just arrange your basket however you want it. And then the last thing we're gonna do is attach our sign. So if you are just joining us, let me repeat. When this video ends, I'm gonna post in the comments the link for you guys to download a copy of this sign. You can print it off. No strings attached, my gift to you. My copy is laminated because I have a laminator in all of my craft stuff. But even if you don't have a laminator, you could tape this to a piece of cardboard. You could tape it to a piece of foam board, or you could just leave it as it is if you don't have anything on hand. I like to just laminate it to protect it from the elements a little bit more. And then, you know, maybe a piece of cardboard or something would give it more substance. So I am folding the top. Also, if you'll notice, it is not a full 8.5 by 11, so that you've got room to put the sign on the box properly. And I'll show you what I mean by that in just a second. Let me grab some tape. I don't know where my packing tape is. Oh, that tape is gone. All right, so I'm going to fix the sign right here. Packing tape would probably work better. I'm going to start out with Scotch tape. We don't have a whole lot of wind occurring right now in Georgia, so I'm going to see if this is going to hold, and if it doesn't, then I'll just go back and reinforce it with some packing tape. But all you're going to do is attach it to the top of your basket. Attach it really well, because when the wind blows it around, then it won't rip off. It's another reason why it's nice to stabilize it on a piece of poster board or foam board or anything, right? So that it's got a little bit of substance to it when the wind comes up. And no matter where we live, almost all of us have some sort of wind to deal with in the wintertime. Okay, so I'm taping this down really well. And then again, if the Scotch tape doesn't hold, I'll go back later and use packing tape. Okay, so then along the front, we have our sign that says, please take a drink and a snack. So that's it, y'all. That's how you make a blessing basket or a snack basket to put outside for all of the hardworking men and women that are essential workers and delivering everything that we are ordering online and that we can't wait to show up on our porch. So when you make one, post a picture of it in the comments. Don't forget to hit the SHARE button at the bottom of this video to post it to your page so that your friends and family can get this great idea and make one for their home as well. And until next time, y'all, may the Lord bless you and keep you. May his face shine upon you. And in everything, even in 2020, don't ever forget, you are so loved See you later. Bye.